We got mid-January, 50 degrees. Climbed up near the frogs. And I wanted to show this wind that we're having today. It's been going on for a couple days. The gusts are pretty strong. A lot of debris all over the place. So we're not getting the -20 or -50 and all the snow.